Hey guys, welcome back. A new stable update is rolling out for Oneplus 7 and 7 Pro users, which is Oxygen OS 10.0.2 and the update size is 166 MB. Update is rolling out in batches, so it might take some time to receive it on your device. So as you can see right now also it is not available in my system update section, but instead of that you can use the Oxygen OS updater application if you are running stable build. After 3 to 4 beta updates, OnePlus have released the stable update for OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. If your device is rooted and bootloader is unlocked, then you need to download the complete zip file. But here in my case, my device is not rooted, so I've received the update of 166 MB. So let's download and install this update. Once you have downloaded the update using Oxygen OS Updater application, it will show you an installation guide. Just go through this guide. After that, what you have to do is you need to go to settings, system update, then tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner. Select local upgrade and you can see that file which you have downloaded using Oxygen OS Updater application. Tap on this and select install now. Once the installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. So devices have been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information by going to about section. So here you can see Android version is Android 10. Build number is Oxygen OS 10.0.2. This is my OnePlus 7 Pro. And now they have updated the security patch to 1st October 2019. With this new update, there are no new additions done. They have done lots of fixes on Android 10. Launcher remains same, which was 4.1. If you guys don't receive the OTA update, I'll mention the download links in the description below. You can do a local upgrade. Now let's take a look at the change logs. So as I updated my device with Oxygen OS Updater application, change logs won't appear in system update section. So here's a huge list of change logs which is related to system and camera application. So if you take a look at the system change logs, there are no new additions done. Optimization and fixes have been done. First one, as they say, optimize the standby power consumption. This I'll update in the comment section. After using the device for a day, I'll let you know what's the battery backup or the screen on time. Then they have also optimized the expanded screenshot feature. So here also you won't see any noticeable change. They have done few optimizations to it. Later they have also optimized the Bluetooth connectivity in automobiles, improved the translation accuracy, optimized overall communication performance which includes network, phone calls and mobile data. Then they have also optimized the charging performance with third-party chargers. I generally don't use third-party charger. It's always recommended to use the stock charger which comes out of the box. Then they have fixed the black screen issue, fingerprint animation issue. I've never faced any kind of issues related to the fingerprint animation. Have you guys faced any kind of issues related to the fingerprint animation? Do let me know in the comment section below. Then they have also fixed volume issues with AirPods, fixed the black bar issue while charging or playing a video. And later they have updated the security patch to 1st October 2019. And the last one under system, it says improved system stability and general bug fixes. So let's see now how stable is Android 10 on OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. Because many users had issues related to battery drain and other stuff. So you guys let me know what all issues you guys still face after updating your device to stable version of Oxygen OS, that is 10.0.2. And the last one is optimize the performance of super stable feature in video for camera application. So if you guys are not aware, OnePlus have added an feature in camera application video section. You will find an icon of super steady. This feature makes the video more stable. And here's a video of side-by-side comparison. So guys, these are the changes of latest stable version of Oxygen OS 10.0.2 for OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 763, wherein multi-core have scored 2887. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 4,60,831. So guys, this was all about the new update for OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.